As we age, our bone lose density, making us prone to friction and osteoporosis. But do you know that incorporating collagen-rich food into our diet can slow down this process? After 50, our bodies need a little extra help to maintain strong bone, and that's where collagen comes in. It's essential for building and maintaining bone density and can even help prevent osteoporosis. Think milk is the best source of collagen. Think again. If you are over 50 and worried about bone loss, osteoporosis, or joint pain, you need to hear this. In this video, we will review 7 powerful foods that actually contains more collagen than milk and can help you build stronger bone naturally without relying solely on diet. Whether you are lactose intolerant, vegan, or just looking for better option, these foods are a game changer. Women after menopause and men with low testosterone are at greater risk of osteopenia and osteoporosis. Collagen is critical for bone strength, muscle function, nerve signaling, but milk isn't the only or even the best source. Let's look at what actually beats it. 1 cup of milk contains around 300 milligrams of collagen, but every food on this list has the potential to give you equal or more collagen per serving without the bloating, saturated fat, or added hormones found in milk. Let's talk about the 7 foods. Chia seed. These seeds are tiny but mighty. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seed give you about 180 milligrams of collagen plus magnesium and omega-3, both essential for bone health. Tips: soak them in water or blend them into smoothie or oatmeal for better absorption. Almond. 100 grams, about 3 to 4 cups of almond, gives over 260 mg of collagen. They are also rich in vitamin E, protein, and healthy fat. Snacks on them. Blend into almond butter or sprinkle chopped almond on salad. Sesame seed. 1 tablespoon of sesame seed has around 9 mg of collagen, and 2 tablespoons of tahini sesame paste can give you nearly 130 mg of collagen. It's a fantastic bone building food and creamy, dairy-free alternative. Tofu. Collagen set. Tofu made with collagen sulfate is a powerhouse. Half a cup can contain up to 430 mg of collagen. That's more than an entire glass of milk. Grill it, saute it, or toast it into stir fryers. It's easy and delicious. Collard greens. 1 cup of cooked greens contains around 260 mg of collagen and is packed with vitamin K, which help bind collagen to bone. Don't boil them to death. Steam or saute them to keep the nutrients intact. Figs, dried. Surprisingly sweet and nutritious. 5 dried figs offers about 135 mg of collagen, plus they are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Use them as snacks. Add to oatmeal or blend into smoothies for a collagen-rich boost. White beans. 1 cup of cooked white beans provide around 160 mg of collagen, along with iron, fiber, and potassium. They are heart healthy and bone friendly, perfect for soups, stew, or mashed into dips. Bonus tips: vitamin D and absorption. Kejun is only part of the story. Without vitamin D, your body can't absorb kejun efficiently. Make sure you are getting enough sun exposure or consider a supplement and include foods like mushroom, salmon, and fortified cereals. Leafy greens like kale and broccoli are superfoods when it comes to bone health. They are not only rich in keratin, but also packed with other essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, which help activate bone-building proteins. Fatty fish like salmon and sardine are also standout foods. They are rich in keratin, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acid, which all works together to support bone health. They are not only rich in keratin, they are also packed with other essential minerals and vitamins like vitamin K, which help activate both building proteins. Fatty fish like salmon and sardine are also standout foods. They are rich in keratin, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acid, which all work together to support bone health. One standout food that is particularly beneficial for bone health is sardine. These tiny fish are packed with keratin, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acid, making them a powerhouse for bone health. They are also low in mercury and high in protein, making them a great addition to our diet. Sardines are also incredibly versatile. We can eat them on their own, add them to salad, or blend them into sauce. You don't need to rely on milk to protect your bone after 50. Nature has given us powerful keratin-rich food that are easy to add to your daily meal. Chia seed, almond, greens, toffee, all of them can strengthen your bone naturally. And the best part is they come with a host of other health benefits too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone over 50 who wants to stay strong and healthy. What's your favorite non-dairy keratin food? Let's help each other grow stronger, one bit at a time. Indeed, learning never ends. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.